Today we will discuss transformer vector group test. Vector group type Dyn1. Today we will discuss transformer vector group test, vector group type Dyn1. So what is the meaning of Dyn1? Its mean primary is delta connected, secondary is star connected, neutral bottom type, and phase angle difference between primary winding and secondary winding is 30 degree. Now, how it calculated phase difference angle to 30 degree? It means secondary lags primary 30 degree. One mean secondary winding lags primary winding, or LV winding lags ST winding by 30 degree. Now, how you calculate it? Just divided 360 degree into 12 part. Just to divide it 360 degree into 12 part. Each 30 degree. Each 30 degree. 30. Now it is HT. Primary winding HT. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now Dyn1. मतलब LV1 when you consider, you will have to calculate in anti-clockwise direction. That is very important. When you calculate vector group by this number, you will have to calculate in anti-clockwise direction. Now I have said primary is delta, secondary is star, neutral bottom type 1. 1 means 30 degree. Phase difference is HT and LT is 30 degree. Now it is lagging or leading. Just see, this is LV and this is HT. If you go in anti-clockwise, that LV पहले उसके बाद HT. It means HT पहले उसके बाद LT. If you go anti-clockwise and HT पहले उसके बाद LV, मतलब LV lags HT by 30 degree. If it was Dyn 11, then that is 30 degree, then that is LV, that is HT. Mean LV winding leading. So LV leads HT by 30 degree. Dyn 11 means LV leads HT by 30 degree. Dyn means LV lags HT by 30 degree. Now I am coming to the test. Set vector group Dyn1. So primary is delta connected, मतलब U1, V1, W1. Secondary is star connected and that is lags 30 degree. मतलब secondary is like that. That is U2, V2 and W2. That is neutral. Now to test vector group, I will have to sort U1 and U2. First I will have to sort U1 and U2. When U2 is sort properly. For better understanding, I am shifting it from here to here, just superimposing U1 U2 in a single point to understand better. Okay. U1 हो गया, U2 ये सेम पॉइंट हो जाएगा U1 U2, ये न्यूट्रल, ये हो जाएगा V2, ये हो जाएगा W2. Correct. Now I will have to measure the voltage between U1 V1 to N and N to W1. First, I will have to measure the voltage between U1 V1, U1 U2 to N. Also, I will have to measure the voltage between N to W1. N to W1. Also, I will have to measure the voltage between U1 V2 to W1. U1 U2 to W1. I will have to measure this voltage, and this voltage. If this plus this is equal to this voltage plus this voltage is equal to this voltage. This is the first condition. Second, I will have to measure the voltage between V2 V1. V2 V1. Also, I will have to voltage between W2 and V1. W2 V1. And this should be greater than this. W2 V1, voltage between W2 V1 should be greater than voltage between V1 V2. This is the second condition. Third condition, you will have to measure the voltage between W1 W2 and W1 V2. W1 W2 and W1 V2. This should be equal. Voltage between W1 V2 is equal to voltage between W1 W2. If these three conditions will match, then the transformer vector group is Dyn1. I am again repeating, if these three conditions is fulfilled, then the transformer vector group is Dyn1.